This is a plug cutter and it's designed to fill any counterbore holes that you've created in a project or DIY at home. The advantage of using a plug cutter is you get to manufacture the same material plugs to match the project that you're working on. That way you're going to get a better disguise of the filled holes opposed to using wood filler. Also, since you're actually using the same type of material plug and a little bit of wood glue, it'll dry and cure quicker than wood filler, so you can carry on with your project. The plug cutters come in a 6, 8 and 10 mm diameter. Use a drill press to get a sturdy cut. Ensure the cutter goes to the correct depth to create the bevel on the top edge for easy insertion of the plug. Using the screwdriver, lever off each plug to break off at the base. As you can see, I work on the same material all the time, so when I am cutting myself some plugs, I actually make a whole load of excess, which I keep aside to use at a later stage when I need. When inserting the plugs, you can make use of wood glue, and a handy tip is to make use of one of the little pockets, fill that up with wood glue and use that as a dipping station. And then insert into the counterbore hole. Align the grain of the plug to match the grain of the timber. Tap down gently with a hammer to get a firm, snug fit. Remove the excess using a saw or chisel and sand down smooth flush with the surface. This is also ideal, especially if you're going to be staining your project, because you're going to have that same stain finish on your plugs as well as the surrounding edge of the timber. If you are going to be making your plugs using a drill and not a drill press, you are going to find that that drill wants to skate around across the top of the timber. What I find is I just make myself a little jig, line it up, and I'm going to drill through those holes into that timber, and that's going to act as a guide for my plug cutting. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.